Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today I got my friend Pat visiting Palm Springs from Laguna Beach, and Pat's got a bunch of vegetables out here. What are we making today?
We're going to do a chicken fajita, but first let's address the vegetables. So we've got cilantro. Okay. We're going to finish with that, and then we've got red, green, yellow bell peppers, white onion, and then button mushrooms. Okay, so let me just get started here.
What are you going to do? Let
me just get started. Now there's a bunch of different ways, of course, you can do a pepper. I like to do it this way because it's much simpler. You have to cut the spine out.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we just cut it like that. And we're not going to need all of each of these peppers, but I do want them, all three of them.
So we're just going to measure it out on the cookie sheet here?
Sure.
Okay, and just enough for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then what about, you're going to use,
maybe a little more.
For the color, you're going to use green, red, and yellow.
Yes.
All right.
I guess we are going to.
And then mushrooms.
Yes, button mushrooms.
Okay, yeah. So we're going to call it, most fajitas don't come with mushrooms, but we're going to call it the Watkins way. So I'm going to tweak the recipe a little bit.
Well,
or you're going to tweak it for me.
I think that's
add mushrooms.
Right. I think that's the beauty of it, though. You could call it whatever you want, right?
Right. Yeah. Just the Watkins way.
Exactly.
That way, if I get in trouble, they say, "Well, one guy said that's not the way you make it." And I said, well, "I know it's the Watkins way." So anyway, and then how are you going to do the onion?
You'll see. It'll be they're all kind of in strips.
Okay.
And I'll do the chicken the same way.
Okay. All right. So I like the way you cut that bell pepper.
Yeah, and then, if you want to use the whole thing, just take a little bit more time and trim all that off.
Right.
But, we're certainly not going to discard anything.
No, we're not. So, yeah.
So I have a cousin in Baton Rouge, and every time we'd cook with him, he'd save everything, the roots and everything, and stick it all in a saucepan and boil it, and then strain it. Spectacular.
And make a broth.
Exactly.
Oh, you could use that in soups.
Yep.
Or you can use it in stews.
Yep.
Whatever.
So right now we can probably get started here a little bit, if you don't mind me.
All right. So did you spray this?
Yes. Yeah. Sorry, I should have mentioned that.
So you sprayed it.
Yep. Yeah, just so it doesn't stick. Real simple. And then, we'll get to it. But we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil before we stick it in the oven.
And then you're going to cut.
And then in doing an onion, again, there's a bunch of ways. I usually cut the non-root end. Okay. I keep the root on because that holds the whole thing together.
Right, yeah, I do that too.
Okay, and then just take those first couple layers off.
Yeah, I always keep the root on.
And this is what he'd throw in a saucepan, all this stuff.
All that stuff. You know what? I think I'll try that.
Yeah, man. Waste not, want not.
I know. It's like a stock pot.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
That's what it is.
Betcha.
It's a stock pot. Cook that on low overnight.
And then you let it cool, throw it in Ziploc bags, freeze it.
Oh yeah,
you're golden.
Strain it.
Okay. So yes, and so now there's, if you wanted to take an extra minute, you could soak an onion in cold water. And what that'll do, that'll take that little bit of acidicness out of it, that bitterness. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut that off.
Does that keep you from crying?
Yeah, nah. No. I've tried everything. Swim goggles, no.
No, it doesn't work.
No. Good idea, though.
Yeah.
They say if you keep your mouth open, if you keep your mouth closed, if you stand on your left leg, I don't know. No. So, rather than make a big project, I would just cut it straight down.
I do that. I always keep the root on.
Yeah.
It holds it together.
Yes.
Yeah, I've been doing that for a long time. It's looking good.
Now, some of these are a bit bigger, so I'm going to chop a couple of these in half.
Okay. Chicken fajitas.
With mushrooms?
With mushrooms.
Yep.
And then flour tortillas.
Ooh.
I go to Missouri at least once a year, and I usually fly into Springfield.
Yeah.
And for probably the last 30 years, I've been going to this restaurant called Mexican Villa.
Yeah.
And they make their own hot sauce. The same family's owned the restaurant for 60 years.
Oh, wow.
And I order this by the case. So today,
really?
I know this is your recipe, but I want to add my hot sauce
from
Mexican Villa.
And since it's my recipe, when you open that up eventually,
yep.
I'm put my finger in it.
Okay, that'll waste your recipe.
Yeah. Okay,
right.
we've got that done.
Yeah,
Chicken.
chicken. All right.
Now, there we go.
You know, this looks pretty good. I like the color.
You like that?
Yeah, it looks great.
Okay, sometimes you want to go against. There you go.
You need a smaller knife?
On the bias with the grain.
Okay.
A lot of people don't do that, but it'll be a little more tender to the mouthfeel.
Oh, okay. And the thing is, you're doing this in about 5 or 6 minutes. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not, I mean, this is so fast. It's easy.
And this is the longest part of it.
In like less than 10 minutes.
Yep.
And throw it in the oven at what, 350 for about 30 minutes,
Yeah, that's it.
and then it's done.
Yeah, you can almost just tell by looking. You want to hand me a couple more of those chicken breasts? Or?
Yeah. I was trying to find a real chicken, but we're in the city now, and I couldn't find one. So,
And you got to catch them.
and I'd have to catch them.
Yeah.
So, I did that.
Well, and
Hey,
clean them up
I
after.
grew up on a farm in Kentucky.
Oh,
I
then
caught
you-
a few chickens.
well, then you
in my
know.
day. That looks really good. And then, what are you going to season it with?
Well, there's a seasoning now. There's a bunch of names for this as well, but you call it speed scratch, and that's when you might take a commercial ingredient, or in this case,
So if you
ingredients.
use the commercial ingredient, here's what I would use. I would use chili powder,
Okay.
cumin,
Yep.
onion, and
Yep.
garlic powder, and I'd use paprika.
Okay. Or
Or you could go to the store and you could buy this, and it's the same thing.
I like Lowry stuff.
Yeah, I do
Yeah,
too.
yeah,
Lowry's is
good
the
quality.
best. So, are you going to drizzle any
Olive oil.
Okay.
Olive oil next. Let me
There's
wipe my
olive
hand here. In fact,
Okay. Can I add the seasoning?
you can, or I could mix this first, and then the seasoning would stick more evenly to everything.
Well, we're going to do it your way.
Okay.
We're not doing it the Watkins way today. We're going to do it the Pat way.
Yeah, so you guys can't see the cue cards, but it's Gary wrote the cue cards. So, okay.
All right.
You want to just give it a mix?
Yep.
Okay. You trust me?
Yeah, I trust
Right.
you. Yeah, just mix it up. That's all you got to do. Hey, you know what? Let me preheat the oven to 350.
There you go. Good idea. Okay, Gary, if you would do the honors, just take the seasoning and
Okay.
just give it a dusting.
Okay. I can do that. A little bit of Lowry's Fajita seasoning.
You bet.
Yeah, I think 1 packet
Oh, yeah.
I do. I was talking
Yeah.
earlier about maybe it's not enough, but this covers it really well.
Yep.
All right.
Very good.
We're up to heat now, so let's put it in the
Okay.
oven.
If you, I'll get it. For you. You trust me?
Yeah, I trust you.
All
Put
right.
it in. And
Alrighty.
all right, we'll be right back. All right, we got our fajitas in the sheet pan in the oven at
Okay.
350 for 30 minutes.
Okay, so how do you want me to do this, Gary?
You know what? I would take about half a dozen flour tortillas.
Okay.
And I put them on tin foil.
Okay.
And I put some water out there, so sprinkle a little water on them, and then you seal them up. Then about 10 or 15 minutes before the fajitas are done coming
Yep.
out of the oven, put that in the oven.
Okay.
And it just, all you want to do is heat them up a little bit.
So when you say water, do I water the in between them?
You can, no, water the tin foil
Okay, so just
right now. Yeah.
the watering tool.
Yeah, that's watering tool, yeah.
Okay.
And then just put some tortillas on there.
Okay.
You know, we got people coming over for dinner, so
It's about a half a dozen
I do about half a dozen.
ish.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
There might be two.
And a little water on top.
Okay.
And then seal it up with a foil. And then we're going to put it back in the oven.
Okay.
And it takes about 10 or 15 minutes. We just want to heat it up.
Okay.
And then when it comes out, we got everything hot and ready to add to it. And then we'll add our salsa and other stuff to it. So yeah, that's perfect.
I'm so glad I took that origami
know.
class.
So now I got the timer. We're fat. We got about 15 minutes to
Okay.
go. So let's go ahead and just pop it in there on
Okay.
the top rack. And we're going to do that for about 15 minutes, and then we got.
So
our
they're
fajitas.
both done at the same time.
We're both done at the same time.
Look at that coordination.
Okay, I think our chicken fajitas are done, Pat, and then tortillas. I'm gonna,
Want me to get it?
yeah, can you get it?
I got it.
All right. And then let's take out,
Oh man, it looks great.
it does look good.
Smells
right.
great.
Here,
There you
do
go.
this.
Okay.
Okay, so now, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna,
Well, how do you want to do this?
well, let's just put the tortilla on here,
Okay.
and let's put a little bit of our fajitas.
Oh man, great way to do it.
I know.
G-man.
That's hot.
Yes, sir.
And then just put some on here.
Okay, you trust me?
Yep,
All
I
right.
trust you. Yeah, do a little bit of everything. It looks good. All right. Do whatever you want. Everything's looking good.
You know, we don't have mushroom.
And
Where's the
then-
mushroom? There you go.
A couple mushrooms on there.
You know, that's the beauty of mushrooms too. You know, you cook them
Yeah.
for 5 minutes, they're done. You could cook them for 45
It
minutes.
doesn't matter. I mean,
Doesn't?
yeah, they're
great.
good.
All right, now,
Now what are you gonna do?
well, I think we should do a little sour cream or salsa first.
Do salsa first,
Okay, that makes sense. Otherwise, we'll roll right off the sour cream.
and then do the sour cream second.
Right.
Then the cilantro will be green on the white sour cream, and it'll look pretty.
Wow. Look at you.
You know, just me.
Going to that fashion school, I guess
Yeah.
really helped out, huh? Okay. Oh boy, it's the first time, a new one. Let's hope I don't screw this up. There we go.
That looks good.
Okay.
And a little bit of cilantro.
Okay.
Looks great.
There you have it.
All right, now
Okay.
I got a taste
Oh man.
of this. So
Oh man, it looks so good.
I know you can't have any.
Oh, come on. Not too bad. Very good.
So good.
Good job, G.
So good.
Good. Hey, don't leave me hanging. What about me?
Well, you can have one. I don't
Yeah,
care.
yeah, yeah. You took care of yourself, though, didn't you?
You need a plate?
I'm gonna use yours.
No.
I'm gonna share.
All right.
I'm too hungry.
It was really good.
Yeah, look at that. Tell you what, Gary, you get an A for color. That's for darn sure.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching Watkins Way. Please subscribe. We have a video that comes out every other Saturday. I need subscribers, so please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Take care.
Thanks, G. This is really fun. Especially the spoils.
Isn't that good? That is really good. So good.
Well,
So good.